You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
You dey smoke, they go. If they give me joy, they give me hope. Would you be smoker? Now my life I dey live. I go dey smoke, they go. If they give me joy, they give me life. Would you be smoker? Now my life I dey live. I go dey smoke, they go. If they give me joy, they give me hope. Would you be smoker?
Please,
thank you very much. I am very sorry for cutting short your music, okay?
I'm fine.
Please, Sister Juma, there is something very important I need us to talk about.
You and me discuss. All right, go on.
You see, Ujunwa, I am aware of the newest development in your house at the moment. I mean, the arrangement of your mom trying to send your senior sister to the university. You see, Ujunwa, you need to calm down. Your mom trying to send your senior sister to the university is not a reason for you to be making troubles in the house. Yes, Akuna is your senior sister. Allow her go to the school. Probably after some time, your mom can buckle up. God Almighty will provide. Then you yourself will go to school. Yes. So please, I don't want you causing trouble in the house because of this reason. Please, I am begging you. Should I take that to be yes? Thank you very much.
Ọ bụrụ na ị bụrụ onye nke Chukwu, agara m akọtọsịrị gị iru. Ọ bụrụ na nkọtọsịara gị face, suit iyi, ọ ga-abụ coat. Kwanyere onwe gị ugwu.
May God have mercy on you. Sister Juma, may the Lord have mercy on you. My God.
Make me and you spend my money. Understand me. I'm working on it for me. Understand me. Make me and you spend my money. Understand me. See me now, what they for real. Understand me. Baby, understand me. Baby, understand me. Baby, understand me. Me, I don't like how the girls them way them do. They like to pretend. When you they try to relate, then go stop to the form. Let's say they no send. Back and straight to the point. Fuck and no time.
I don't find it.
Wait, what's be this one now? Huh? Did they create?
No vessel. No vessel.
What's be your name?
My name na Ofife.
Ofife.
Yes.
Ah. So what is the meaning of this?
I don't find it tired. I don't go your house, I don't see you. I go that place where they dance, I don't see you. I go say okay, my here now you go there. I don't waka. Come catch you. Bam. No vessel. No vessel. You don't say you know easy to trace you. Because you won't kind person. Now likeness now carry me come home. You know say I love you well. I like you. I won't marry you. They like all this way they do. This as I come dance.
Sorry. Waiting be that your name again?
Ofife.
Ofife. Hey! You love me.
You told your child.
And you won't marry me. Hey! Uju. You two get fans for this village, oh.
Yes, I'm your
Everybody love you, even him.
Yes, I'm your fan.
You like me?
Yes, I won't mind.
Okay. See, I beg, lose this thing.
Huh?
Lose my shoe.
Your shoe. When you buy when I wear this shoe, ordinary shoe. News from Kano, come Enugu State. See how buy it again. We went to one shoe.
Ha! My leg.
Oh.
Carry it.
They waste my life.
Wonders shall never end. Eh? Come on, who is playing the music you're dancing? Because you're just here dancing, and I'm not seeing any radio here or any drama that you say, okay, this person is the one putting this in your dancing. You are even smoking and raising your leg up. You're smoking with nganga, dancing. Yeah? Wait, is it not a Nana sister? Eh? Oh, I'm even talking. You're in my very before. You finished smoking one, and now you're lighting another one. Eh? How? They said it in the Bible. They said it that when a goat that does not eat yam begin to follow the goat that eats yam, automatically that one will start eating yam. So because you started following Uju these few days, you've now grown into smoking cigarettes. You've now swung into smoking cigarettes.
Oji.
Mba. Akabo.
Oji.
Akabo.
Oji.
Oh, so you know.
How many times I call you?
Once. The other ones you were calling me Oji in Ikegu.
She know how your village. You know how your business for this village I be. I go forget say be my brother and friend. I go waste you for here. Not try me, oh.
Of course. You're not the one speaking, no. Cigar is speaking through you. Because this cigarette, there is something about this cigarette. Each time you people take this particular cigarette, another power enters you. I am sure this cigarette is spiritual cigar. That. I'll be there, come your house, so all of a sudden see you for here. Food. Okay, no food no dey house, but you get where food there.
For where?
You get one person where just inform me say then get burial. Say me I carry you come. No, you will go. You go. No, the guy say me I carry you come. I tell him say no shake it. Nana, before we go for this burial, I get important information. Your sister.
Adak.
Yes, Adak, your sister.
A good day.
Na harlot.
Come. Take time, oh. Take time. Don't be sass, me and be friend. It is another 52. Don't ever in your life open your mouth and call my sister. I shall. Don't try it.
I don't know that I don't give you information. Say I need to waste time that. I'm smarting and they kill me. See that the way you do? I almost die. But if let's say your sense will work.
Thank God say you not die.
You gotta remember say.
Make with the go now. They're hungry.
And they tell you say your sister na harlot. It is a joke. Okay, who talks me say your sister na show? Your sister no be a show. Your sister don't pass a show. A lot. See, I tell you.
A harlot and a show. Which one big pass?
Hey! Pope and Bishop. Which one big pass? Don't be same church did they go?
No, that's second.
But a Pope and big pass Bishop.
I mean, say Pope.
Harlot and big pass a show. Anything a woman begin do enter harlot.
Don't pass a show.
Ogula.
And that be my sister. My sister, why no.
I say your sister where I know, Ada. I see Ada where she dey smoke cigar. Ada dey smoke cigar now. Which person?
Which Ada?
Which woman dey smoke cigar?
Which Ada? Where is she?
Ada Mini.
Where is she?
Which woman? Any woman where dey smoke cigar?
That be my sister.
No be your sister.
And my sister no dey smoke.
Your sister no dey smoke. Nana, you're hungry true. So your sister, I see your sister when she dey smoke cigar. Your sister go put cigar for mouth. The smoke go come out for mouth, come out for nose, come out for ear. I even sure say, in fact, this is why they tell you now, go investigate your sister. Anywhere where you see your sister, they piss.
Look
am very well. You must see say when she open to piss, smoke instead of water. Wait, come out for that place.
Wait. Now which person sister dey talk?
Which one? No, your sister name no be Ada.
Now my sister.
Mba, now my sister.
Na lie, no be my sister. See.
You dey doubt am?
Come go show me.
You dey doubt am?
I dey doubt am. Come go show me.
No worry, you go soon see am.
I know what.
By the time when you see am, one day you go see am. I dey tell you something about your sister. Instead of you to go investigate, you dey tell me say.
Abeg make we go chop the food. This morning I never chop.
No problem. What the money now? As if I dey tell you say your sister dey smoke, you dey doubt am. Instead of you make you go investigate, no whether na true I dey talk.
Tell me where you see am now. I go go there now. No go waste time. I go go there now. Go see for myself. Where you see am?
You know the office. You know the business.
For where?
I don't talk am. I don't tell you. You see where she throw away her eye pencil? You know see am? Na
chalk I use the draw for here.
Na spiritual, na chalk. She use the draw. Her face na blackboard. And wetin she use they do that thing at the.
Where the smoke?
Na here. But they practice. I follow you go right jam. So na they practice for here.
Ujuna na her lecturer. So Ujuna na the teacher how to practice to use staff. Now Ujuna na be her. Come on.
This is not cigar. I don't talk you.
This life you dey live, my day I think the things you do. Put your favors in brave, so my day I think I'm well. Enyo kwangwara gakwa emakwa no boya kama makano balakantike onesike na pafuko nono. Think the things you do.
Oh, please don't be offended. Did you in any way see Uju over there?
Which Uju? See, next time if you want to ask me a question of living things. No be things we no believe, not living things. You dey hear?
It dey give me joy, it dey give me hope. Would you the smoker? You dey smoke.
Person die.
They give me joy, they give me
Person die.
hope. You the smoker.
Why they murmur?
Now my life I
Why they do
I go dey smoke, they go. It dey give me joy, they give me life. Would you the
Why?
smoker? Now my life I dey live. I go dey
Oje.
smoke, they go. It dey
Oje.
give me joy, they give me
Hey.
life. Would you the smoker?
Oje. People they float for my house like a water. Like say my papa went on die so many years ago, they die again. They come, they want me for my sister. They give me complaint. Say my sister now they collect their things. That's the thief. My sister don't become thief.
That's Oshi. Oshi. That's a good combination of words.
I don't know whether the person they do me this thing. No.
So your sister now don't combine her business now with an Ini easy. And she not rumble easy. Yeah? When I dey tell you say that your sister na harlot, I dey tell you na that your sister na harlot. You agree? You tell me say na lie, my sister no be harlot. Now she don't combine the business now with aninism and she na rumble easy. So people they come your house now they complain say your sister Ada they go thief something, they go anywhere where she enter something must miss. Yeah?
Oje, don't be what I want tonight. They tell me.
What do you need?
Oje, advise me what I go do because
Advise me. What you are going to do? Okay, it's alright. Very simple. What you go do now is say any day where I come back, Adako come back for night. That is if she will come back because this one now because prostitute plus stealing. That means night to sleep is a crime. It's an error. If God help, she come back for night. Any night when she come back, lie down sleep before she go sleep. Mix kabad and otapia with akam. Mix them together. Give her make she drink. Believe you me, Ada could no go ever do a shower again. Ada could never ever steal something again. And the people no go ever come complain to you again. Say Ada could.
That is all. Again.
That is his remedy.
No, I go miss and can't give you.
Now you call him all.
No,
I'm trying to remedy the situation.
I go first miss that otapia, don't give you.
What you go do is say mix the otapia, first drink and if you walk, give him a dark.
I go the smoke, they go. If they give me joy, they give me life. Would you the smoker? Now my life I they live. I go the smoke, they go. If they give me joy, they give me hope. Would you the smoker? I go the smoke, they go.
Hi. What's up?
Fine.
Can you come for a minute, please? What's up? What's your name?
Uju.
Uju. Nice. Well, I'm just strolling around the village and I like what you're doing. Can you come in? Let's talk. Let's get to know each other more.
What for? I should come inside.
Yeah.
I better come out here.
Oh, hello. Can you please come? Just come and talk to me. You don't know me.
I should come inside. I should come inside because say you carry a car. You carry this carton here. I better come out here, Joe. I see road. See. Got a man like you. Say Papa.
Okay. If you say so.
See. For your mind now you carry car, yeah? You carry this carton. You should come inside. Imagine. Yellow Papa. Or check on Maka. For your mind now resemble all these girls, Abi. See your guy. Nkota salagi lue. Obu na nkota salagi face. Yeah, I'm waiting for Peter. I'm not fear. You should come inside.
You see this is what I want to tell you now. I want to give you advice. And if you come turn am in the other way around, na serious warning. They warn you. You see this girl, this nonsense girl, what they call you. I don't want to see you with her again. I don't want waka. Come jam we and that girl, even they say bye. If they tell you, I go kill you.
Why now? You want a good girl?
Shut up! I know if I talk, make it talk. Or I go use what I see you. Today, use kill you now. Forget about you. Oh, my friend Oji. Waka see you. Come here, come to laugh at me. Say see you with that Uju. Still this house. Na me where Papa live. You know, contain me and you. So what I tell you? All advice where I they give you say, I don't want to see you with that girl again. Make I even go tell Oji. Say I want you. Make it help me they look. Oh, make him see you.
But Uju na good girl oh. No only na dey see am say she bad. She not bad oh. But no talk.
It dey give me joy, it dey give me hope. Uju the smoker.
Hello, sorry. 1 minute. Please, there's a girl I saw down there just now smoking. She said her name is Ujunwa. She has this blonde hair.
Good hair.
Exactly. Please, can you tell me about the girl? I like the girl. Where's her place?
Hey! Oga, are you not in this village? Are you new or you just coming? You know, if you ask the person that you want to go to the house, bad girl, just smoker. Now you want to go marry or you want to go see. I don't even know what you want to go and do with her. But what I'm telling you, run for your dear life. That girl is not what you think. I'm telling you, frankly speaking, just run.
Just tell me her place. Where's her place?
You really want to know the place?
Exactly.
Okay. If you just go straight, don't go anywhere, just go straight. Ask anybody that you see there. Akuboso. Family.
Akuboso family.
Yes.
All right.
Don't say I didn't want you.
No problem.
Don't say I didn't want you.
Give me life, Uju the smoker. Now my life I dey live. I go dey smoke, dey go. It dey give me joy, it dey give me hope. Uju the smoker. I go dey smoke, dey go.
What is it? Please, help me to tell your sister Kuna that our pastor says that she should come and meet him at the church by 6 o'clock p.m. this evening. You dey crazy? You are mad already. I don't need to ask you. You are mad. For your mind now, you won't send me message, Abi. I should go and tell Akona. Hey, pastor said, devil punish you. But we are not going. Shut up! You dey crazy. Sorry, that you know the fear face. Eh? Look at sir. Bia. Nkoto siaragi ilo. Nkoto siaragi face. Imu ihe oputara. Nyanyo, chechejo. Just run, they follow me. I should tell Akona. Eh? See. Let me pretend as if this thing never happened. Don't try this rubbish next time. I want to try it. You won't like it. Huh. You got half this for fun.
When I tell you about your sister, when I tell you say your sister like chain smoker and your sister don't turn to something else, she be saying a lie. You agree? You believe me? Now the thing that they happen for your eye, koro.
I beg, go to make a come. Go to carry come.
What do you carry come?
As you see me now at the best, I just want that idiot finish now for us. Nah. I say make I come help you, make I take you. Make you follow me. Because I don't tell her say any day where I go see him with that girl again. I go kill him.
So
she still start the play. Now make I come tell you, make you help me put eye for ground. They watch everywhere, every corner. Any way you see him, just surround and tell me. I go finish. Even that thing with you, I go kill him.
You decrease. That is, you come here. What you carry come now? Make you tell me say that your sister. Make I put eye for ground for that your sister. Make they watch her anywhere where I say I with Uju. Make I can't tell you. Are you mad? No, you want to tell me now to you come meet her. You want turn me to Onyoko meter? That is where go dey monitor your sister anywhere where your sister go. No be so. When I dey tell you say your sister dey smoke igbo, yes, your sister dey smoke cigar, dey smoke igbo. You agree? That day when I tell you that thing here, shebi na here now you one day kill me. If not because of God wey save me that day, I for die for your hand.
No problem. Even though the native doctor tell me say that girl dey smoke, I no go believe.
Now when you say don't discover,
I don't see her for my eye.
Then go and do your homework. Go do your homework.
Now make I say.
No come send me to come begin do satellite disc for your dish.
Now make I say make you help me dey look am. If you know as to take catch am when you dey smoke, you can't tell me. The one.
Of course, I got you. So, you don't still come to this place now. Make you foresee what you go steal, Abi. You dey target that chicken. That fowl now they target to come steal. Adako!
I got from my brother for here now.
Here na prison yard. No. Here na prison yard. I be here na church. Where you go look for your brother? You go find your brother. As your cousin, why be? Owashi. Adako! You come to our fowl.
I don't know until they talk. I'm my brother come here come find.
Of course, you don't know.
I don't know until you come here. You come there.
So you come to take our fowl.
But you get
You tell me say.
Oh, you get foul. What? You get foul. You get foul.
What I get fowl?
My brother dey inside.
What I get? Leave me. Make I go tell your brother. So, Ada, after the warning where your brother won, tell you say, he no ever want see you with Uju where they smoke cigar. Now you get mind, they ignore your brother warning. Come go sit down with Uju, they smoke cigar. Like say I no catch you now. Like say I no catch you red-handed. Now so if you just smoke the cigar finish, put tonto for mouth, come back house, they claim say nothing mega. Okay? Make I go tell your brother what I see. So that make him treat your fuck up.
No, bro, no. You never reach like that.
You don't pass, oh.
You
It don't pass like that, oh, if you don't know. It don't pass like that. Because I don't see reason where your brother go warn you say, no, they smoke cigar, no, they smoke cigar, no, they smoke cigar. Avoid them when they smoke cigar, eh. Avoid them when they smoke igbo, eh. Avoid them when they smoke cigar. Avoid you when they smoke cigar. Get John, you don't agree. Now, make I go tell your brother, say, you no agree avoid Uju when they smoke cigar. Due to stubbornness. I will go tell him.
But brother, you know.
Leave me, make I go tell him.
If you tell my brother, he go beat me with that big hand. He go slap me.
Oh, so you know say your brother get big hand where you go say if he slap you, you go turn to something else. You know say your brother get big hand where you say if he slap you with that big hand, you go turn to cockroach. Now you still get mind. Go they disobey your brother. Go they smoke igbo. Yes, now go they smoke cigar with Uju. Where?
But don't you wait. No, not talk too much for this matter. See as you go be now.
How you go be?
Anything you want make I do for you, tell me and I go do am. Anything you want make I do for this life, tell me I go do am. But don't be to keep person. I don't feel keep person for your matter. Oh.
Anything I say make you do for me, you go do am.
I go do am. But not be to keep person now. I don't feel keep person. No, but I dey play now.
No. You say anything where I say make you do for me, you dey ready to do am.
I go do am. I go still keep person for your head.
I dey go tell your brother.
No, don't do that. I don't want you want make I do again now. I don't tell anything want make I do. I go do am for you.
You go do am.
I go do am.
Come. You say anything I say make you do, you go do am.
I go do am.
I'm very, very happy for you. Small time I go get graduate, you go be your brother of a graduate.
My brother, the thing, I don't know how I want to begin to thank God. I don't know the way I go say, God, thank you for this thing what you do for me. You know, you see this life where they live. If you plan your life well, your life will go straight, really well. If you don't plan your life well, your life will go zigzag. You know, will go straight. When I dey, cause he say, I no go school. My papa no go school. Mama no go. Now I say, no. I must do something. Make I take wipe this shame. Come on for this family. Make I take this shame. Make I take something. Wipe away the shame for this family. What did I think? Now I say, no. My brother must to go school. As I tell my brother must to go school, now I begin all those small money that time what would they get? I can't go build small safe. Can't they throw the money? Small. You get where the money reach. Now I can say no. This money, you don't reach to carry person go school. Now I call my brother. I say, now time don't reach. May you go school. You don't know as my brother they enter school. Eh? Okay, the other I don't tell you. I don't tell you that they go eat for that burial. I don't remember to tell you. He gets the day my brother called me for phone. He said make I go meet one man. I don't even know say the man wey say make I go meet. Na person wey dey draw house. Because my brother say this house immediately in graduate, he come out for graduation. So if in graduation, this house, wow, we go the most risky camp. We go the most risky camp.
We'll destroy him.
Come build another one. So when the man show me the house wey he build, where he draw. As I see the house where the man draw, honestly, now the man come point say, "Na your room be this, na my room be this."
He show you my own.
I say, when the man say, "Na my room be this," I say, Now I enter the room. As I enter inside that room where the man draw, as I enter the room, see AC. Hey, Emily na air condition. I dey tell you. Small time as I look like this for inside the room, I see ATM machine. I don't know what
for the room.
As I look at the ATM machine for inside the room, now I go there, press one thing while I press, the money begin to come out. I run.
Where's the money now?
I said,
Nana, but he hurt me.
If you see the parlor,
why you don't call me?
My brother.
As you don't say I be your friend. As you take me as I take you. So, where every day I go to find you the call. Why you don't carry me go?
I know where they carry you go. Na burial. Now they are supposed to carry you go. As I enter the parlor, now I see conference. As I see conference for the parlor, I look the other side. I see mortuary.
Mortuary?
I say, for inside parlor. They say, yes, in case if I die, my dad will go bury me. I say, okay, no problem. That is fine. You know the way back for me? As I enter the kitchen, when I enter kitchen,
it don't be bad.
I say when I enter kitchen,
do me bad.
If you see kitchen,
why you don't call me?
I say if you see kitchen,
why you don't call me?
When I enter the kitchen, now I see say, Nana just enter my head. I say, oh, where my friend Nana?
Food is in the kitchen.
If you see kitchen, my brother,
food is there.
You go know what to make me enter inside kitchen. Remember you. See kitchen big. I look left, I see fufu. I look right, I see gari. I look right, I see yam. I look right, I see head. I say this is. In fact, now you go to wash this kitchen. You go be getting man for this kitchen. You understand? Now that one now I make mistake, but don't worry yourself. Next time I go see the man for the this thing, I will carry you go, make you enter the kitchen, make you see as you pee. You understand?
Oh. I wish my sister dark.
Okay.
Go green. Her head go come down. I go train her for school.
One thing where you go understand, be say, no be everybody go school. Some people go school, some people no go school. That's so God designer. God don't designer. Some people go poor, some people go rich. They don't designer. At least your own better. Last time I get sister, we be like your dark. My family for complete. I only get brother we go Jirivas.
I know you don't really know me, but as time goes on, you get to know me. My name is Akunebi. That's Akunebi Oku, but I'll end it here. I'm a businessman. I'm based abroad. I deal on, important things here and going back. But that's by the way. Actually, I like you as a person. So, if you give me the opportunity to know you more, know about your family, spend time with you, at least now I'm in the village before going back to the city.
I got beg, forget that one. You want to deceive me, Nabi? I beg you.
I deceive you.